siya. So mamaya ma'am, I'll walk you through kung ano nga ba yung gagawin the moment na makapag-start po kayo. So we have systems. So it's a complete guided system for beginners. And not just for beginners, but also for advanced builders. Meaning, we have 2 learning hubs. Meron tayong learning hub sa ADA, meron tayong learning hub sa Ascendra. We also have ADA portal na kung saan dyan mo monitor yung income mo. So kahit nasa Canada po kayo right now, you can monitor your income. So we also have Zoom sessions every week. We also have face-to-face events kapag nandito na kayo sa Pilipinas. Recorded live sessions. We also have one-on-one mentoring via Zoom or face-to-face. So this is guided, repeatable, complete, and very beginner-friendly once na makapagsimula po kayo. So last part na tayo, Ma'am Arlene. What are the system? Ano nga ba yung pinakagagawin ko in order for me to earn or kumita? Number 1 is the moment po na mag-enroll po kayo, ang tawag po namin sa inyo is affiliate partner. So once maging affiliate partner po namin kayo, you can maximize these 2 things. Number 1 is affiliate income and e-commerce income. So sa affiliate income, 70% po kayo doon. We have courses, e-books, digital products, templates, na kung saan if you're going to resell them, 70% po kayo doon sa commission. For example, meron kaming tinatawag na basic course. 990 pesos lang po yun. Kapag meron po sa inyo nag-enroll sa course na yun, digital product po yun. The good thing about digital products kasi, isang beses mo lang siya gagawin pero paulit-ulit mo siyang pagkakitaan. Parang libro. If author ka ng libro and gumawa ka ng isang book, isang beses mo lang siya ipapublish, paulit-ulit mo siyang pagkakitaan kasi it's going to be printed multiple times at ibebenta yun sa mga bookstore. The difference is, sa libro, physical. Sa atin po, digital. Digital yung course, digital yung products. Na kung saan, a lot of people right now are into digital affiliate marketing. Na the good thing about us, kasi hindi na po kayo mag-create ng sarili ng digital products. Meron na tayong existing digital products already that you can maximize. So, here's what's good about this. 70% po. For example, may nag-enroll sa inyo, ma'am, 990 pesos. Meron po kayong 700 pesos doon. So, malaki ang markup natin sa affiliate when it comes to income. Next is e-commerce. Sa e-commerce naman po natin, 50% naman po tayo dyan. So yung nakita nyo pong Omega Life, yung Barley, yung In Your Harmony, yung sabon po natin, yung Celestial Glow Soap, 50% po kayo doon. For example, may nag-order sa inyo ng Omega Life dito sa Cebu. Hindi na po kayo magpapa-shipping, i-click lang po niya yung link ninyo. Pag nag-order po siya, automatic meron na po tayong local courier dito sa Pilipinas na magdi-deliver. For example, JNT, na magdi-deliver sa bahay po nila. And they can pay through GCash, through ATM, through credit card, or even cash on delivery. So, pag pumasok yung payment nila, automatic papasok din po yun sa portal po ninyo. So, you can see yung kinita po ninyo sa portal. Mamaya ipapakita ko po sa inyo step by step paano nyo makukuha yung kita, paano nyo makukuha yung commission through online. So, that's it sa affiliate partner po natin. So, affiliate is 70%, e-commerce and affiliate products are 50%. So, the good thing about this, ma'am, kasi you can maximize both. Pwede nyo pong pagsabay-sabayin yan kasi those are 2 ways when it comes to our affiliate partner. Next is, yan po yung number 1 sa affiliate partner. So since affiliate partner na po kayo, pwede na po kayo magkaroon ng tinatawag na growth partners. So yung growth partner natin, ma'am, this is number 2, 20% naman po ang commission dyan. So we have 3 packages, executive, director, and consultant. So sa executive, 199,800, director is 110,500, consultant is 45,500. So anong kagandahan nito na executive, director, and consultant natin? So the moment po na, for example, may nag-enroll po sa inyo ng basic course, gusto niyang gawin kung anong ginagawa ninyo, ano ba yung business mo? I want to do the business, hindi lang course. Gusto kong magnegosyo kagaya mo. So, pwede po silang pumili dito sa 3 package na to. So, kung paano ko po pine-present sa inyo right now, Ma'am Arlene, ganun ko rin po i-present sa kanila. Meaning, you will not be the one presenting the business. Ako po talaga yung pinaka magpe-present. So, sa lahat ng kakausapin po ninyo, na mga clients po ninyo, hindi po kayo magpe-present. Basically kami, I have a team of 57 people here sa Metro Manila who do the presentations for us. So, for example, ang kinuha niya is executive, 20% po kayo doon, that's 40,000. Ang kinuha niya, for example, is director, 110,500 kayo doon. 22,000 kayo doon. Ang kinuha niya, for example, is consultant, 9,000 kayo doon. So, there are flows of income. Meaning, kung ano po yung kunin ninyong posisyon, ang tawag po dyan, posisyon. For example, ang kinuha ninyo is executive. Yan na po yung highest position. So, meaning, you maximize all of the income. Kapag ang kinuha po ninyo is consultant, may restriction lang po when it comes to income. So, pakita ko po sa inyo. Ito po yung tinatawag natin na flows of income. For example, ma'am, ang kinuha ninyo consultant. Pag merong nag-consultant sa inyo, kapantay nyo lang, buo nyo makukuha yung commission. That's 9,000. So, pag consultant kayo, tapos may nag-director sa inyo na package, dapat 22,000 ang kikitain po ninyo. Pero dahil consultant lang po kayo, 12,000 lang. Pag consultant po kayo, tapos may nag-executive sa inyo, dapat 40,000 kayo. Pero dahil sa consultant kayo, 20,000 lang. So yun po yung restrictions. Ang matatandaan nyo lang po, kapag may nag-enroll po sa inyo, dapat kapantayin nyo lang yung posisyon na kukunin niya or mas mataas ka sa kanya. So, kung mas mataas sa'yo yung posisyon, may bawas ka when it comes to commission. So mamaya ma'am, I'll show you ano yung pinagkaiba ng 4 na packages na yan, ano yung mga kasama, ano yung advantages. So, ang pinaka the best talaga is yung executive. Kasi pag nag-executive po kayo, consultant is 9,000, director is 22,000, executive is 40,000. Buo nyo po makukuha yung commission. So, the good thing about this naman ma'am, kasi these are upgradable. So, mamaya ma'am, I'll discuss with you paano yung upgrade, paano yung system. So, wala naman kasing wala namang restrictions kung kailan, wala naman siyang deadline kung kailan kayo mag-upgrade. It's up to you. Kung i-upgrade ninyo, kung kailan, kung next year pa, kung it's up to you. So, pag consultant kayo, mag-upgrade kayo to director, magdadagdag lang kayo ng kulang. Kung magkano kulang, from consultant, 45,500, dagdag lang kayo ng 65,000, automatic, director na kayo. So, mamaya ma'am, I'll discuss with you ano yung kasama, ano yung part ng package na yan. So, meaning, may mga nagtanong, may mga nagsasabi sa amin, paano kayo ma-maximize yung growth partner? We have 3 ways, Ma'am Arlene. Number 1 is organic growth. Actually, ito talaga yung pinaka-ma-maximize natin. Organic growth in a sense na, ang goal namin, ma'am, turuan namin kayo to become a content creator. Meaning, ngayon ma'am, sa panahon ngayon, wala namang pinipiling background or edad yung pagko-content. As long as you have a content bank, kasi meron kasi kami tinatawag na content bank, ito talaga yung long term. Na kung saan, we will teach you kung paano gumawa ng content. Kami mismo mag-edit ng content po ninyo. Magpo-post na lang po kayo. Within the next 3 months, kami lahat yung e-edit, magpo-post na lang po kayo. So, long term siya, organic growth, content creation and videos. Meron na kaming content bank ng mga different audiences. Despite, ang pinaka magiging niche lang natin, ma'am, or content, napakasimple lang. What's your life in Canada? Yun lang ang pinaka magiging content natin. Meaning, sa 5 content na ipopost po ninyo, 4 po doon, giving value. And yung isa, yun na po yung parang nagbebenta kayo or may in-offer kayong something. Hindi pwedeng puro benta lang. Kasi people won't really believe you if puro benta lang ang nakikita sa timeline mo. The good thing about us, kasi we were able to create an ecosystem na kung saan sisikat po kayo. At the same time, you were able to maximize all of these things. Number 2 is ads. So yung ads na nakita nyo po ma'am, nag-click kayo sa ads ko. That's the reason why magkausap tayo right now. So that's ads. It's scalable. Meron tayong tinatawag na Meta and Facebook ads. So, the more budget that you have, of course, the more reach that you will be getting or more people. Unlimited naman yung sa ads po natin. So, next is referral. Sa referral naman natin, Ma'am Arlene, madali lang to kasi meron na kaming tinatawag na unlimited referral system. Ibig sabihin, if ayaw nyo po mag-ads, kasi I do understand kasi syempre magbabayad pa kayo sa ads. At yung organic hindi pa naman gagana as soon as possible kasi syempre, i-build pa natin yung name niyo sa social media. Sa referral kayo mo mag-focus. This is unlimited. Warm market mo, trusted connections mo, build and expand. Meron na kaming sistemang ginawa when it comes to referrals kung paano kayo magkaroon ng tinatawag na unlimited clients na hindi po kayo mauubusan ng client. And that system will be taught sa inyo once na makapag-start na po kayo. So yun po yung system natin kung paano siya gumagana. One of our growth partners, si Ate Mel Grace, ito galing po itong Israel, the land of war. Sabi nga niya nung nagkausap kami. So nag-enroll po siya sa amin February 3 of 2026, itong year lang na to, 5 months ago. Right now, kumita na po siya ng almost 600,000 pesos. And minaximize lang po niya yung growth partner program natin, itong growth partner, and yung sa affiliate partner program po natin. So she was able to maximize everything. Ang kinuha pa po niya, executive. Actually, pinangutang pa nga po niya yung executive. So mamaya ma'am, I'll show you a video of her na nangutang pa talaga ng 200,000 para lang makapag-start. And right now, the good thing about it, sa 2 weeks pa lang na running kami from February 3, 2 linggo pa lang po siya, pero kumita na po siya ng almost 200,000. So bawi na po niya kaagad yung nilabas niyang 200,000, 2 weeks pa lang. Right now, running 5 months na, almost 600,000 na po yung kinita niya. Even though part-time lang po niya ito ginagawa. So that's it sa ating growth partner program. Number 3, lastly, yung expansion po natin, Ma'am Arlene. So the good thing about our expansion, kasi dito niya po ma-maximize yung tinatawag natin na digital leverage. So, meaning, ang traditional naman ma'am, alam naman natin na in order for you to expand sa traditional, dapat marunong tayo mag-expand ng business natin. For example, Jollibee. Hindi naman kikita ang Jollibee kung isa lang ang branch niya. So, kumikita ng malaki yung Jollibee kasi they have multiple branches all over the Philippines or even worldwide. Sa ibang bansa, may mga branches pa sila. The good thing about this, kasi sa lahat ma'am ng growth partner ninyo, meron ka pong 10% na commission or nakita. For example, nasa Canada po kayo right now, may growth partner kayo sa Japan. So, kumita yung growth partner mo sa Japan ng 100,000 sa expansion. Meron ka pong 10,000 doon. 10%. of what he or she is earning sa expansion, meron ka pong kita. Pero hindi po yun ibabawas sa kita niya. Ibabawas na po yun from the company. So, it's part of the compensation plan that we have na magkakaroon po kayo. So, for example, may growth partner ka sa Australia, kumita siya ng, sabihin natin, 50,000, may 10% kayo doon, 5,000 sa inyo. So, doon na nagkakaroon ng expansion and digital leverage na kahit nasa Canada po kayo, you're earning through this channel of people. And the good thing about that, nale-leverage po yung sarili po niyo through digital, through contents, through the system that we have, even though nasa ibang bansa po kayo. Nasa Canada po kayo. That's the reason why 3,000 of my students are really maximizing this, even though nasa ibang bansa po sila. Nagagawa pa rin po nilang i-maximize or kumita kahit po nasa malayo po sila. Alright? So, pag-usapan natin ma'am, last part, yung packages natin. So, we have consultant, director, and executive. So, sa bawat packages po natin, meron po siyang kasamang inclusions. Sa consultant po natin, 45,500. Ang kasama po niya is nasa 48,000 e-commerce and affiliate products. Sa director naman po, 110,500. Almost 120,000 e-commerce and affiliate products. Sa executive, which is yung pinakamalaki, 214,500 yung kasama niyang e-commerce and dropshipping products. So, 199,000 sa executive, director natin is 110,500 and consultant 45,500 naman po. So, the good thing about this ma'am, kasi once na i-maximize niyo po ito na mga products po natin or yung mga packages po natin, it will highly depend on the position that you will be getting. So, ang pinaka-suggestion ko, syempre, executive. Kasi yung privileges ng executive natin, ma'am, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yung executive lang po kasi yung merong car fund. Executive lang po kasi yung merong property fund. Executive lang yung merong 20% sa lahat ng enrollment packages. Executive, lahat ng executive, 10% kayo sa override sa lahat ng growth partners po ninyo. So don't worry ma'am, kasi either way, sa tatlong packages na kunin po ninyo, upgradable naman po siya. So anytime pwede kayo mag-upgrade.